on a Lucas. Have them cross each other like that, and then.
I don't think I've ever seen a carousel that like wasn't part of a theme park.
They got a second story on this.
What the? I have never seen something like that.
A double-decker.
Bro, double-decker carousel. It's just like a thing here. Yeah. They're nice. Biking is a lot more common in Europe, I guess.
Oh yeah, sure.
How would they even like build that? It's pretty cool. It's also like huge. Stairs. Sweet. No, we can't go up there. It's pretty cool. We are very high up. Yeah, I can see most of Strasbourg up here.